Hi, I'm going to walk you through the basic steps in setting up or editing a blog post for your website. So when you first log into WordPress, and if you haven't created any posts before, WordPress by default has a sample blog post for you, and it's called Hello World. And so we're going to go ahead and edit this and just turn it into a real blog post. So when you go to the post page and you click edit, the page to edit that blog post loads. And here's the text. Welcome to WordPress. So what we're going to do is get rid of that text, and I have some placeholder text pasted into my clipboard, which we're just going to go ahead and paste directly into there. Looks great. And we're going to give this post a new headline, Smoking in Latin. And we're going to edit your URL, the permalink here, and the quickest way to do that, if you just want to use the name of the blog post as your URL, for posts that have already been created or you need to change it, just delete that and click OK, and WordPress by default will fill that in. You can edit that and change it to whatever you need it to be, but that's basically how it works. Okay, you might have categories set up. If not, we can help you set those up, but the way that categories work, if you want to post something under the heading of news or new products or specials, we can create those kinds of categories. Likewise, tags, there's just a finer granularity, a way to organize your posts based on tags. But for the purposes of this demonstration, we're just going to leave it as uncategorized for now. And let's add an image. So I just move that text down one space, and then I put my cursor where I would like my image to be and click Add Media. And immediately we see our media library, which has tons of images that we've used on the site. In the case of Smucker's Galaxy, which is our guinea pig for today. I'm just going to pick any old picture here, insert that into the post. You'll notice that that kind of came in small, so I'd like to make it a little bit better, a little bit bigger. So you click on the image and then click the edit button, and you're going to see your different sizes that you have available right there under the size drop down. And so the largest one is 624 pixels wide. Let's select that. Link to none. You could make it link to an image, or make it actually link to another page if you want to do that, but for our purposes we'll go ahead and just select none. Alternative text is always a good thing to add. That way it makes these pages more SEO friendly. So in this case, what are we looking at here? I have no idea what that is. Volcano. Maybe somebody knows what that is. Update. There's our image. Set featured image. We could use the same image again. Featured image is the image that will show up on your blog homepage. If you would like to change the title and meta description for your page for the sake of Google and Bing search engines, you can change those here. Keywords are not really used anymore. You don't have to enter anything there. I would suggest using tags, which provide keywords in the page, which are much more useful than meta keywords, which have been deprecated. At this point, you can update your post. You've saved it. If there's ever a problem and you need to go backwards, we have revisions available. So if you needed to go back to a version that you had saved yesterday, whatever, you can click it. All right, so let's take a look at this page on the front end. Smoking in Latin, and the picture of our mystery smoking device, some kind of water pipe perhaps, anyhow, and the text below it. And that's pretty much it. Very straightforward. We can get into galleries and things like that in a later instruction, but for the sake of getting a simple blog post up and running, that's how you do it.